Welcome everybody again to my World War Relic Discovery channel on YouTube. Today I am on adventure with Mirko Q, his daughter, in a new location of one of my German situation maps. We hope we find something, so check on you later. Bye bye. So here the first evidence. This is a nice foxhole. Pretty good condition actually. And we have some signal, pretty deep. So let's check that one out. Creepy forest. So I'm not sure if there's something here. It's a very low signal, but strong. Hold on. So let's check this out. So let's see what's here. Second. You see this?
This?
Yep. A bayonet. Totally bent. Pretty cool for the collection. With backlight. Oh, look at how it shines. Oh my god. That's beautiful. Look at this. It's a World War II K98K bayonet with backlight and guards. Just a little bit shit, it's bent, but still looks pretty cool in the collection though. Awesome. Oh. Woo. So it's not a live dig. I just found this. I put it back. First I thought it was from IKEA because I found many of them. You see here. See this? This is just some rust-free stuff. And it's just a normal spoon. Just a regular spoon. And usually when I find them, they're from IKEA or I don't know what. And you won't believe this. Look at the condition. But look at this marking. Look. It is not from IKEA. That is for sure. Why it doesn't. Here I found a really cool little 50s toy. I think it's a spinner. See, made out of tin. It's pretty cool with the paint still on. I'm gonna take this. It's always nice to have them. It's junk for others, but for me it's pretty cool. It's a piece of history, so I like it. Yes. So here I found what I believe is another start of a dumping pit. So here is what I believe is another start of a dumping pot. So here you see there's glass, works everywhere. I just saw some pieces of white porcelain. So I'm gonna dig this out and I'm gonna let you know how far I will be. Please let it be something. So my little dump pit, here it is, proves there is porcelain inside, and you will not believe what I found. You will not believe. Here, this is all civilian stuff, and here, see, like I've put it back, of course. Oh, it's all broken, but look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, I even don't need to travel so far to go and get this. And here you have more. You see, here's more stuff. Here it is. Oh, very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Here, it's glass. You see, if you just do a lot of research, you will find something. Fucking kidding me. 1941 Bohemia. This is definitely Luftwaffe. I'm sure. Let's see what's more in there. No, I'm just filming this with one hand. Here. More. This other stuff. Let's see, there's much more here. So I'm gonna continue this one and I'm gonna let you know how it went. Awesome. So I found more items, like another nice little bottle, another piece of plate, like actually more of them. So it's freaking awesome. Look at this. And there's more. Here we have this one. What's this? That's very nice. And there is more stuff. There is a lot of stuff in this little pit. See, there you have more porcelain. So this is actually stuff that the German soldiers broke and did not need anymore. What is this? I don't know what it is, but there's a lot of stuff here. It's very nice. Here we have a piece of bone. Nice, another piece of blue porcelain. Here, old battery. Very old battery. Very nice. This, aha. Look at this. So let's hope that the plates were broken and they just dumped the broken plates in the pit, so I can go home and fix them. See, there's much more. Bricks, more porcelain. Very nice, very nice. So I only have one hand, and digging with this glass is very dangerous. So I'm going to continue digging, and then I'm gonna let you know what I found. Okay, see you later, guys. So I made the hole bigger. I found many more plates, not a lot of them. This one is just missing the entire eagle. This one, it has a little bit of swastika. This one, it has everything. I'm very pleased. This one is a little bit, so maybe it fits somewhere. And then I found again all these little awesome cool bottles. Look at this. And of course, this is so typical. It's the top of a beer bottle. You know, in a place nearby they had them. Fuck. And these heads, like the bottom caps, they were marked with SS. So Maybe this was one. Would have been really cool. So I'm very curious what we find more. There is a lot more, you see. You just keep digging. Everything is coming out. Bricks. See? No, more bricks. More bricks. Here, see, more porcelain. Nothing. You just don't know what you find. Here, this is from a team, like, you see? Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This is nice. Don't know what it is.
What is that?
I don't know. I have no idea. But there is a lot of glass here, so really watch out. So there's a lot more to come out, but I'm finished for today. It's starting to get dark anyway, and I just know there is much more. See, if you dig, you can just keep going. Just goes and goes and goes and goes and goes. I have no idea what all of this is, but it's nice ornamented. I'll take it. So what I found today is one bent bayonet. Then I found this crazy, what I thought was IKEA spoon, but there is a swastika on the back. Just it doesn't want to. There we are. So it's pretty cool. Then I found these plates with swastikas, and they're Luftwaffe. This one I don't know. Maybe someone can tell me, but they're all Luftwaffe. And then all these little medical bottles, medical tubes, and these beer caps. This is the original bottle top, and then many more stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to stop for today, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow maybe, or another day, and I'm gonna continue digging all of this out, but now it's too much work. So see you later, guys. Thank you for watching. So I forgot to show you this. This is some more found. I did here just some bullet casing, a little bottle, some looks like a horse head. I'm not sure what it is. This is a looks like a belt buckle, not a belt buckle, but a belt clip, and some aluminium and a piece of a fork. So let's see what we find more.